Hello everyone. Today I cooked this thing and I didn't plan to make the video, and it's not the cooking video, but when finished it I would like to show how it look, because for me it look great. I'm not good cooking and the taste is very nice. Anyway, I would like to share this and practicing my English as well. In case anybody would like to try cooking this, I'm gonna tell you the ingredient and how I cook. But I'm so sorry I don't have the picture or of the ingredient I cook today. I have only a picture of the package of noodle and chili, the green curry paste, also sugar, soy sauce. That's it. I didn't measurement anything, just only green curry paste, half tea tablespoon. This menu got from my husband requested on someday I cook stir fry noodle for him, but that one was very spicy because it was different ingredient. I stir fry as basil stir fry with the tiny chili with garlic, and he said if noodle stir fry with scallop or seafood gonna be better. Then today I bought a pack seafood because in the pack mix the different thing together like scallop, squid, mussel, mussel. And the way I cooked, I started with boiling noodle. You can use any kind of noodle that you want. I didn't measure anything as I said, so you just estimate by how many people to eat with you or just yourself. Just don't need to prepare a lot, right? And then heat a pan and cooking oil. Also take the paste in the oil and stir a little bit, then add all vegetable. The vegetable I cooked today, I had green bean, sweet pepper, basil leaf, and eggplant. But my husband doesn't eat eggplant. Anyway, when I serve him, I didn't take eggplant in his dish, just me. And then I boil or seafood first, and then when the stir fry already mix a little bit, I add stock soup. I didn't measurement again, so it's about maybe estimate to a half of canned stock, or not really make as soup, but just want to have some liquid in the stir fry. And then add sugar, soy sauce, and taste it as you like. If you like more spicy, maybe the paste the paste not enough for you, just add more paste. Up to you, just taste it. And then take the cooked seafood, just drain water, and then add all seafood meat in stir fry, and then mix them, stir them together, and then done, ready to serve. I can see today my husband really enjoy eating this, not too spicy, and I think taste is good because he asked me fill twice. Thank you for listening. Bye.